Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So, in today's video I made an adze. And you usually see these in the wood carving community with a bit shorter handle actually and more curvature to it. Used for making spoons and bowls and similar types of things. But this one was actually designed to make wooden gutters, because a few years ago my uncle came to me with his old gutter adze that used to belong to my grandfather and his father before him and so on. And they used that one to make gutters back in the day. So the measurements I have, I took from that one. So it was designed to make gutters. But they come in many different shapes and forms. So depending on what your need, you can forge it differently and put on a different handle. This was a real challenge for me. It was really strange moving the material in the 90 degrees opposite of the regular axe forging. So that really messed with me. So I had a bit of a struggle figuring out how to do it. It looks simple when other people do it, but when you're in there yourself and you're used to your routines, it really messed with me. But it was a lot of fun, and I think it turned out pretty well actually. I went with a Norwegian type collar on this one, with some small decorations and a high carbon steel blade, which I think will serve it very, very well. So I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get inspired to get out there and try it yourself. If you do, please let me know how it went in the comment section. Thanks for being part of the axe community here on YouTube. Like and subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.